He's finally here. Alan, okay. So he's not called Sylvester. Oh, he is. Alright. I stand corrected. Hello everybody, my name is Fyodor and welcome to my reaction to BNA Brand New Animal Season 1 Episode 7. We are halfway through the show, and I guess the next few episodes are gonna be a little slower, or maybe even less important than this one, because this is the rhythm that BNA has been going for this past 6 episodes. But I'm excited nonetheless. Last time on we got more information on the Silver Wolf and the church behind it. We found out that Nazuna is part of the team heading the Silver Wolf Church and used Michiru to get entry to the city, ending their friendship by doing that. And that's where we've been left off, so let's get right into the next episode and find out what happens next. Oh. Okay, bird people. Right. And they can fly, that's nice. What's that? Oh. Interesting. Right, she's still thinking about that. Yeah. Yeah. Oop. And that's where he landed. Okay. On a bed at least. Hmm? Oh. That's... oh. That was strong. Is this the episode where Michiru learns to fly? Oh, okay. More information. That's good. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That doesn't seem plausible. Mm-hmm. He's finally here. Alan, okay. So he's not called Sylvester. Oh, he is. Alright. I stand corrected. Oh, so Sylvester and the Church of the Silver Wolf are opposing factions. But still. Hmm. Oh shit. Threatening them. Yeah. Okay, so he's here to stay. Just sprout wings yourself. Bullshit. Oh. Oh, does it have a different effect on humans? Don't pour it out. Mm-hmm. Right, and he's not seeking. He's an anti-beast. No, wait, what? Did I read that right? Ah, shit. Alright. That's not good. And maybe an assassin. Yeah, clear it up. Oh, so he has a weakness. Okay. Ah, shit. Is he gonna attack the church? Or what? Either the mayor or the church. Maybe Boris? Oh no. That is debatable. Yeah, praying for that makes you fanatics. That's important. Oh, okay, Shiro is on the lookout. I'm still not sure who is gonna... Okay, it's probably the mayor. He can smell a gun. Oof. Well, Shiro has an immortal body, so that's not gonna do much. Oh. She's useful. Almost. Is she gonna sprout wings now? She has to. Yep. Here it is. Alright, she can full morph into other animals. That's interesting. I mean, it's not a full morph yet, I guess. Hmm? Oh. He's letting him go. There was a war. Okay. The actual one? The actual terrorist? Either after the church or after Sylvester. Yeah. Assassination by dropping someone. Okay, so Wolf can fly. It seems she has a grasp on her powers. More powerful than Michiru. So I guess the church hired him to do that, I guess. Now he's in their debt. Alright, this was a really interesting episode. I take everything back that I said about it beforehand. Like it being a less important episode probably because we got a very important episode last time. So yeah, it brought up a lot of issues. And it progressed the story in an important way apparently. I mean, first we have the issue of the migrating beastman problem, and I guess that's one of the problems that comes with human rights. If you have rights, you also have duties, so to say, and laws and everything and all of that. But I guess this is one case where different people need different approaches to those rights. I mean, all in all, the border immigration stuff is stupid anyway, but you know, I guess telling a bird beastman that he can't do his migration thing anymore that he's been doing for generations and that he has to go through the same process as a human would is kind of similar to telling a non-straight person that of course you can marry people of the opposite sex, that's always allowed, and everybody can do that. And you know, bullshit like we have the same rights because straight people also can't marry the same sex as gay people. And bullshit arguments like that I've heard way too often in my life. So yeah, this is a really hard topic and very complicated, and it was a fake bomb and hopefully nothing would have happened, but I don't know if it was really the best way to go about it, although I'm fully on Pingua's side here. The other issue that this episode tackled was the church. Apparently the access that the mayor gave to Nazuna last episode wasn't for the whole church, and now they've decided against it. Mainly because Alan Sylvester showed up and, yeah, basically threatened to withdraw his money if the church gets access to Anima City here. Giving us reasons like, yeah, you shouldn't take in a group of people that could be fanatics in, you know, this political climate right now. And this is kind of rough. I guess they do seem a lot like fanatics, but this is not the right reason to deny them access to Anima City. There has to be another reason if you really have to deny them access. But still, Mayor Rose followed through and denied them access. So of course a protest broke out. Peaceful for now, at least. And I like that the mayor explicitly said no violence. Like, get the cops there to watch, but absolutely make sure that there's no violence involved from the cops' side, which, you know, would be nice in the real world as well. But anyway, Pingua wasn't the only assassin that got into the city. The bird person that we saw in the beginning of the episode is one as well. And apparently he's called Meteor, and he was there to assassinate Alan Sylvester. And my theory there is that he was hired by the church, so they could exactly what they have done. Save him and then make him indebted to the church. I think, if I'm remembering correctly, we even had Nazuna and Boris talk about the plan and following it directly and stuff like that. So I guess my theory isn't off too far, hopefully. But yeah, Nazuna and Michiru are very special. And Michiru's growing wings wasn't even something that they really cared about a lot, which, you know, getting a flying speed would be a really big deal. At least I would have thought that, but apparently not. But yeah, both Michiru and Nazuna can do it, and Nazuna is way better at that, even. She can sprout actual wings that don't replace her arms, even. So yeah, this is a pretty intense situation that Anima City is now in, with the cult of the Silver Wolf now basically having power over Alan Sylvester, and you know, tensions growing if he doesn't give in next episode. So, as always, I'm super excited for the next episode and what it brings, because now I know that they hopefully won't slow down and give us more important episodes every time. So, as always, if you like this reaction, you can like, comment, subscribe or share this video. These are generally the best things that you can do for me for free, as they would help me out a whole lot. As does checking out my Patreon, where you can get things like early access up to 1 week into the future to BNA Brand New Animal and JoJo's Bizarre Adventure currently, as well as full-length timer reactions, where you can sync up your own episodes to my reaction and watch it like that. So if you're interested in any of that, go check it out down in the description below. But with all of that out of the way, I hope I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, bye bye.